Hey YouTube, this is my homemade shot shell hull vise. Have it anchored, to the plate of my drill press. Enough space for the rim of the shotgun hull. 3/4 inch hole drilled in the middle of these two 1 by 1.5 inch by 8-inch pieces of wood. Plumber's tape for a hinge. A little piece of aluminum 1 inch by just over a 1/10 of an inch thick aluminum stock to create the space for the rim. Okay. Nice roll. And no movement by just the friction of just the binding right there. Of course, you can buy one for $45 or make your own out of scraps in your garage.